Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2106 code? This code means the throttle actuator control system has forced the engine into limited power mode as a safety measure. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle will have very poor acceleration and may not go beyond a certain speed. P2106 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, Forced Limited Power. In simple terms, the ECU has detected a problem in the throttle system and has restricted engine power to protect the engine and ensure safe operation. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power, slow acceleration, vehicle stuck in limp mode, and limited top speed. In many cases, you may also see a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning for additional trouble codes because P2106 is usually triggered along with other throttle or sensor-related issues. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check the accelerator pedal position sensor and throttle position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or sticking. If any component is faulty, it may need repair or replacement. Finally, fix the root cause sensor, wiring, or throttle body issue, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty parts, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear all codes, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2106 on time will restore proper engine power, smooth acceleration, and safe driving performance.